Hi everyone, this is Leslie from Crescent Moon Journals, and I was asked if I would unbox one of the monthly boxes from Your Creative Studio, which is a subscription box, basically. I think you can purchase them separately as well, but you get one a month. And so anyway, I'm not usually doing unboxings, and I have never used this, but I thought I would agree to do it. So this is the February box for 2023. So we're just gonna, haven't opened it, just cut the tape. I think it's a sweet card. Oh, it's a thank you. Sweet card. So I'm just gonna take all this out so I can get the box out of the way. And here we go. It's nice paper. If I can get that off without tearing it terribly. So here we are. And I'm just going to pull this to the side and start opening. This says cling stamp. And there you have it, if you can see it without trying to get the glare off. And then these are also stamps. So you have more florals. I don't know if you can see it. I will try to stamp these at the end so you can get a better idea. And this is washi. Let's see if I can find the end here. There we go. That's a pretty kind of a teal floral. And then these are stamps, clear stamps, floral. A pretty lavender color. I can get most of it out. So, oops. I don't know if I put them down on here. If you can see, get an idea. Anyway, they're quite pretty. So quite a few of those. And get them back in. Actually, let's just do this. Put them aside. And these look like more stickers. I think they're stickers, some tags. Yeah, I believe so. A little dried flower. Very springy. I don't think these are stickers, but I think, well, maybe they're not. I'm not quite sure, but they're quite nice. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, but they'll be nice in a journal to embellish a tag or something. And these are cards. just little cards that you can use to embellish. You can see. And then here, what is this? I'm not sure. It's all tied up nicely with the string. And this is kind of nice, a little pocket to put everything in. So we have more of those little embellishing things. These are lovely. These are taken from a real antique because I've actually seen it in a museum. And I have a facsimile of the book that these came from, and they're really quite lovely. I think there's 2 of each. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Great dragonfly. Hopefully I've got this in screen. Here's some papers. Nice texture. I think these are 2 of each. So that's really nice. I get making with that. Reading. I'll try and move some of this stuff out of the way. You get a lot in your box, that's for sure. These are just, it looks like, are they journaling cards? Oh, it's a pad. Oh, how nice. It's a pad with these receipts, which are great to use. Great ephemera. That's really nice. Okay, I'm running out of places to put things. These are, I wish it said what it was on the package, but it doesn't really, at least not in English. Oops. I think these are stickers. More of those lovely florals. I'm hoping you're not getting too much glare because I've got my light on because it's very gloomy out. I don't know if these are stickers or not. It's quite possibly they could be. But I like to use these little things like on tags and things like that I'm embellishing. So that's that. Try and get this one back in because there's so many small pieces. There we go. And there's some stamps. These are kind of cool. This looks like rice paper. If I can get it open. It's getting brighter out there. I wonder if I can turn my light out. Yeah, it's like a tracing paper. It's got a lovely design on it. Let's see. Not easy to get back in the packet. So I will fool with that later. Now I'm pretty sure, oh, these are transfers. Rub-on transfers. With a little thingy to rub them on with. That's nice. And instructions on the back. That's quite lovely. They're a little different. You can see those. Those are very nice. So we have a floral theme going here. Which is really nice. You can always use those. And this looks like paper. This is 24 sheets, 6 sticker papers, 6 vellums, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern. So they're quite lovely. There's another one. Appears, there's that one. That's a nice pattern background. So's that. So, might be able to use some of this. I've got to get busy making journals because I've sold them all out of my store. So, okay, it's repeating again, I think. Yeah. Trying to find one that's this is really nice. It's thin. Well, I think there's a vellum in here somewhere. I believe it said that. It's just they're kind of, there we go, I see them. There's a vellum. See through. So, there you have it. Very nice. So those of you who like to get a box every month, I would look into it. It's called the Creative Studio. And as I said before, I believe that you can just buy one box or you can do the subscription. I'm not positive, but that's usually how it works. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm making a mess now. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing, and check them out. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, I almost forgot. I said I would stamp the stamps so you could see them more clearly. And so here they are. I had trouble with the bigger one getting it to stamp evenly, but it wouldn't stick to my block, so I was just using my hands the best I could. But they're very, very pretty. And yeah, so that's it this time. Thanks again. Bye.